If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Gmail account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel unwanted services and prevent future charges. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using the email and password associated with your Gmail account. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where the charges are occurring. Step 2. Access your subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. You can find this option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions linked to your Google account. Step 3. Review active subscriptions. In the Subscriptions section, you'll see a list of all your current subscriptions. Take your time to review each one and identify which subscriptions you want to cancel to stop the recurring charges. Step 4. Cancel unwanted subscriptions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation email from Google regarding the cancellation. Keep this email for your records. Additionally, double-check your subscriptions list to ensure the unwanted service is no longer active. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any recurring charges on your Gmail account. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions can help you stay on top of your expenses.